Welcome. In front of me is a TP-Link Neffos Y5L, and I'll show you how to enable the unknown sources. So we'll start off by going to settings, and from settings scroll down into security, as you can see right here, and it's like near the bottom of the list. Tap on security and you should see unknown sources, so you can check it here, and as you can see it will allow installations of app from unknown sources. So you can just click on it, confirm it, and now it's on, and you can now download apps from, let's say, like Chrome and install them without any problem. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.